I'm with Brett from Parris RV on the Good for Utah Road Tour. And Brett, what do we need to hit the road?
Yeah, this is the ultimate unit to take to our state parks. It's a 2026 Sandstorm. Model is 2600. It's an ultimate toy hauler, and it has everything you're looking for in the best of the best. It's got 15 feet of cargo, plenty of width for those biggest UTVs we like to ride. It's got a patio deck on the back. It's got the big awning on the side. It's got the 6,000 generator that's on board, the fuel pumping station, tons of water, two slide outs. One in the bedroom, one in the living room, everything you need.
I think everyone asks you, can I fit my stuff that I play in Utah in this toy hauler?
Yeah, so 15 feet of cargo, again, will take those big UTVs, but maybe you're just taking things like the kids' bikes and their electric Jeep and maybe a barbecue.
Like the paddleboard.
Paddleboards, kayaks, whatever it is, you can fit it in the Sandstorm. You've got the TV, you've got the fireplace, you got a second slide out in the bedroom, nice big side aisle bath. Again, you know, big water, generator, fuel pumping station, patio deck off the back, everything you need to take your family out in style.
It has the space, but it also is nice inside. Like, it's really sleek.
Super deluxe, 2 air conditioners, big oversized furnace, great big awning on the exterior for shade, everything you need.
All right, so put the family in there, put the friends in there, because you know the kids are going to want to take their friends and go. You don't just have this size, though. If you're looking for something bigger or smaller, Parris RV has it.
Yep, Sandstorm makes larger or smaller. Of course, we have a bunch of different brands of RVs. Come on down and check them out.
Several locations, everybody. We're in Payson right now, but you can also check out those Murray locations and head up to Idaho. You have a spot in Pocatello. If people want to find you, not at the locations, they can also find you online. Where?
ParrisRV.com.
Thanks, Brett.
Thanks.